Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best 4K mirror dash cams that offer crystal clear recording, enhanced safety, and smart features for your car. Whether you need better visibility, parking assistance, or high-quality footage for security, these dash cams have got you covered. We'll break down the top models, their standout features, and what makes them a great investment. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. AZDOME PG 1712-inch Wi-Fi mirror dash cam. If you're looking for a high-tech upgrade to your vehicle, the AZDOME PG 1712-inch Wi-Fi mirror dash cam is the perfect choice. This dual-lens dash cam combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, ensuring your safety while driving or parking. With 2.5K front and 1080p rear recording, an intuitive full-touch screen, and enhanced night vision, this mirror dash cam is an absolute game-changer. Crystal clear recording and intuitive touchscreen. The 11.8-inch IPS anti-glare full touchscreen provides a seamless and easy-to-use interface. The 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera work together to deliver high-definition footage, offering a wide-angle view of the road. Number 4. WOLFBOX G9 3010-inch Wi-Fi dash cam. If you're looking for a powerful, high-tech dash cam that delivers exceptional clarity and reliability, the WOLFBOX G9 3010-inch Wi-Fi dash cam is your perfect companion. Packed with 4K Ultra HD recording, real-time GPS tracking, and advanced safety features, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail of your journey while keeping your vehicle secure. 4K Ultra HD, unmatched video quality. Experience the road like never before with crystal clear 4K resolution. Every license plate, road sign, and unexpected moment is captured in stunning detail, ensuring you have sharp, vibrant footage whenever you need it. Blazing fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant access. No more slow transfers. The G9 30 features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to preview, download, and share videos in an instant. Whether you need to review an incident or share a scenic drive, the process is quick and effortless. Number 3. ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. Looking for a high-performance dash cam that combines 4K Ultra HD recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a sleek 12-inch touchscreen? The ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi dashcam is designed to provide crystal clear footage, intelligent safety features, and a seamless driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips, this powerful dashcam ensures you capture every detail with precision. 4K Ultra HD video, capture every detail. Equipped with a Sony-powered 8MP front camera, the ACCEO dashcam records at 3840x 2160p resolution at 30 fps, delivering breathtaking clarity. The 1080p rear camera ensures full coverage, providing sharp and vivid visuals from all angles. Say goodbye to blurry, grainy footage. Every frame is packed with detail. Immersive 12-inch IPS touchscreen display. The 12-inch IPS full-touch display provides an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, allowing you to seamlessly switch between front and rear views. With picture-in-picture functionality, you can monitor both perspectives simultaneously for added safety. Superior night vision, drive with confidence. With an f1.6 front aperture and WDR, wide dynamic range technology, the ACCEO dashcam enhances low-light performance, ensuring clear and detailed footage at night. Number 2. ACCEO 12-inch 4K Stream Mirror Dashcam. If you're looking for an all-in-one dashcam with 4K Ultra HD recording, 3-channel coverage, Wi-Fi connectivity, and night vision, the ACCEO 12-inch 4K Stream Mirror Dashcam is a game-changer. Designed to provide superior visibility, seamless functionality, and advanced safety features, this dashcam is a must-have for modern drivers. Crystal clear 4K Ultra HD recording. Experience unmatched clarity with a 3840 by 2160 resolution front camera. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 4K plus 2.5K Rearview Dashcam. If you're looking for a high-performance dashcam with crystal-clear 4K front recording, 2.5K rear vision, advanced night vision, and GPS tracking, the WOLFBOX G900 is the ultimate choice. Built for durability, clarity, and convenience, this smart rear-view mirror camera ensures safer driving and complete road coverage. 4K Ultra HD front camera capture every detail. Equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor, the G900's 4K front camera delivers exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and precise details, perfect for capturing license plates, road signs, and unexpected incidents.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.